We've been looking at these Tata Steel numbers that came in not too long ago, and like I was telling you, they've beaten estimates. They have clocked in a profit after tax at more than 1,700 crore rupees against a loss of more than 2,200 crore rupees that they reported only in the previous quarter. Let's find out how these numbers are likely to be digested by the markets, and for that, Aditya Velekar is joining us, Senior Research Analyst at Axis Securities. Mr. Velekar, good to have you with us this evening. Do tell us about these numbers and how you're digesting them, because from where we're standing, they've clearly beaten estimates, haven't they?
Yeah, the numbers have come out as a positive, means they have beaten estimates. That's right. So on all the fronts, revenue, EBITDA, especially on the EBITDA. So revenue was beaten by 4%. EBITDA stood ahead of consensus by 27%. And the beat on the EBITDA level is mainly driven by the Indian operations. European operations have also improved quarter over quarter, but the EBITDA per ton is still at negative level at European operations. So good set of numbers overall.
If you think that the kind of numbers that they've reported after that sequential kind of variation and the beat that is coming in this time, do you think the company, with what they're reporting right now and with the factors that are going to come into play in the next couple of quarters with commodity prices softening, are they likely to sustain the kind of numbers that they're reporting this time around?
Yeah, that's a fair question. See, the steel prices are falling since mid of March in China, especially due to the slower pickup from the property sector. This is a peak construction season there, and the sector is not picking up as what was expected. As a result, the steel prices are falling. The fall is also accentuated because of the increase in Chinese steel production. So the steel prices are falling, but at the same time, if you see, the coking coal and iron ore prices have declined substantially. So the spreads for the Indian steel makers are kind of improving rather than falling. So as a result, the stocks are reacting positively. If you see today, also the stocks are moving up. So on a net basis, the steel prices may continue to fall in future, but the coking coal prices and iron ore prices have fallen more than the intensity of fall is higher than the fall in the steel prices. So the spread is kind of maintained as of now. Of course, we have to monitor in future where the steel prices bottom out. So if they continue to fall and if the coking coal prices stabilize and may increase, then the spreads will get affected. So that is a continuous monitoring process. We will further await from the guidance from the company on its European operations, whether the cost pressures and other headwinds are subsiding there. So these two will be the key guidance which we will expect from the company.